Ow. What? Male. Not Edward, okay? Oh. You've been troublesome. Wait, what? Well, eat. Eat. Wait, crap, you're not turning the right way. Eat. Eat. There we go. Well, my time is done. Oh, I guess all these videos just started at the sheds now. Well. Hey, Thomas, guess what? What? Eat. Wait, no, please. Ow. Oh, hey, my coaches. Time to go for a run. You know, Annie and Claire, but you know sometimes like you're training, you don't have a face, and then you're just like you're on a track and you just want to go. It's a weird feeling, bro. I know it's like a weird feeling, but it reminds me of like action training. You know that classic Trackmaster set? Oh yeah, that was amazing, bro. That was one of the best Thomas Trackmaster sets, though. But it was classic. Oh, what the heck?
Well, that's all for me. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Oh, man, I really came off the rail.
Lol. Lmao.